Alright, this is the actual, my first stage of my filter for my pond. As you see in the other video, this is the new one that I'm replacing, because the old one, this is the drain, and I used 1-inch PVC, which got clogged up all the time, and I think that's why it started to leak, because I was always sticking a tube in there to unclog it. So this time I used 2-inch, and I always put cement in there just to so when I drains out, it completely drains all the garbage. And this right here is the 2-inch that goes to the next filtering stage, and this is the water coming in from the pump in the pond. And this first one has my UV light, so I put a little PVC and I flared it out and just screwed it in there, and then just hot glued it because the coating will hopefully, so that just drops in there, pops in there, and I have a little stainless steel screw that I bungeed so there's a lanyard in case I ever drop it in the filter. So that will screw in there to keep it, the pressure of the pump water coming in won't blow it out. So this is how it sits in there, and this right there just runs it around. I have a bunch of brushes that will hang in here, and as it settles down, it filters out the heavy stuff and goes to the next one. So this one is, I'll take this out. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to coat the bottom. I'm going to paint it white with the Flex Seal. And the only reason I'm using the Flex Seal white is because I want the bottom to be white, so when I drain it and flush it out with the hose, I get to see it better. If I did it black, because all the stuff is black, you're not going to see it as well. Plus it's going to seal all the cracks up. Just make it, and that's what I used around here. I used the Flex paste and the caulking gun stuff. So you really want to spend your time on sealing these up so they don't leak. I just take 2 PVCs and just glue them together and go from there and seal it all up. But that's what we're going to do today, and hopefully get this thing running again.